Have you regretted deleting text messages from your husband's phone? Would you like to get them back if you get a chance? If your answer is yes, then you have come to the right video, because I will show you how you can restore deleted text messages from your husband's phone in simple steps. Moreover, I will explain an easy process to retrieve deleted social media messages from apps such as Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, etc. Deleted text messages are stored in the phone's recycle bin for 30 days. After that, the text messages are deleted permanently and cannot be recovered. To restore the text messages from recycle bin, you need to go to the Messages app and tap on the three dots icon. Next, select Recycle bin. Here, long press on the message you wish to recover. You can also select multiple messages if required. Finally, select Restore. With this, the text messages will be restored to the message inbox. Keep in mind that not all phone manufacturers have the recycle bin option. The above method won't work if your husband has missed the 30-day recovery period. Moreover, it doesn't work for deleted messages from instant messaging or social media apps like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. That's where the next method comes into the picture, which helps you recover deleted WhatsApp messages, Facebook, Instagram messages, and more. What will you do if your husband is deliberately deleting some SMSs from the phone? Well, in that case, you can use the uMobix message tracking app to remotely monitor and view your husband's existing and deleted text messages on your phone or PC. However, you would not be able to retrieve previously deleted text messages from your husband's phone. To do that, you have to sign up and purchase a subscription plan from the official uMobix website. Then, make sure you have at least 10 minutes of one-time uninterrupted physical access to your husband's phone. Once you have got your husband's cell phone, use the following steps to install the uMobix Messages Monitoring application. After successful installation, you will not need physical access to your husband's phone to view his deleted messages. I have divided the installation process in two parts. In the first part, we will disable the Play Protect services of the Android phone, and the second part will include the installation of uMobix on the Android phone. Now let's move to the first part. First, go to the Play Store and tap on the profile icon to select Play Protect on your husband's phone. Then, select Settings icon. Next, toggle off the Scan apps with Play Protect option. With that, your husband's phone would not reject the installation of the uMobix app. Now, I am going to install the uMobix app on the phone. Scan a QR code from your phone and download the uMobix APK file into your husband's phone. Next, open the downloaded APK and select Install. Once the installation is done, launch the uMobix app by selecting Open on your partner's phone. Then tap on the Agree and Continue button. After this, tap on Enable Keylogger Tracking to monitor every keystroke remotely. Now, tap on Play Services and turn on the button. Next, uMobix will ask you to allow restricted settings of Play Services. Once you have given the required permissions, a new page will open on the target phone. Tap on Setup Automatically and wait for a few seconds till the setup is finished. With this, your husband's phone will be synced to your device via your uMobix account. From now on, you can remotely see all of his deleted SMS from your PC or phone. uMobix lets you see existing text messages on your husband's phone prior to its installation. However, keep in mind that uMobix does not show deleted text messages before its installation on the target phone. The best part I like about uMobix is that it even identifies the text messages that are deleted within a few seconds of sending or receiving them. To see your husband's deleted text messages from your PC, use the following steps. First, sign into your uMobix account. From your uMobix dashboard, select the Messages tab from the Unread section of the left side menu panel. After this, you will see all of the existing, unread and deleted text messages on the screen. uMobix will highlight your partner's deleted text messages in red color. Now, click on the Open Chat button to view your husband's deleted text messages on your PC. You can retrieve your spouse's deleted text messages on the phone by using the following steps. First, log into your uMobix account on your cell phone. Then tap on the menu icon. Next, scroll down and select the Messages tab. After that, a list of all incoming and outgoing SMS will appear on your phone screen. Now, tap on the drop-down icon to see more details about your husband's messages. If the SMS is deleted by your partner, then it will be indicated with red color. Finally, tap on Open Chat to remotely see your spouse's deleted messages on your device. uMobix allows you to get back your husband's deleted social media messages on your device remotely. It covers almost all popular social media platforms like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Tinder, Snapchat, Skype, Line, etc. uMobix will take regular screenshots of all messages, including watched and shared media content. Moreover, uMobix shows notifications and active social media apps in the 100 section. The active social media or instant messaging app will be indicated in the green colored online button beside the name of the social app. You can recover your husband's intentionally deleted social media chats on your PC or phone by using the following steps. For demonstration purposes, I will share Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, and Facebook Messenger. First, open your uMobix account and click on the Instagram tab on the left side menu panel. After this, you will see multiple screenshots of your husband's Instagram DMs, feeds, and watch reels. Next, click on the screenshot to view the content. WhatsApp is one of the most secure social media platforms. However, uMobix can help you to remotely view your partner's secret messages through screenshots. Even if they delete their WhatsApp messages, you will still be able to view them through these screenshots taken by uMobix. While testing uMobix, I found out that it captured frequent screenshots of the Snapchat activity. This included snaps, chat, stories, and explore tab. So even if your husband uses self-destructing snaps, you can still see them remotely from your uMobix account. Similarly, uMobix keeps records of all sent and received Facebook messages on your husband's phone, which is shared with your uMobix account through screenshots. Furthermore, uMobix has a unique feature known as Keylogger, which stores all keystrokes and searches from the target phone. You can access Keylogger from the left side panel. After that, a new screen will appear with all the keystrokes made on various social networking apps such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Tinder, etc. and web browsers. Losing SMS from the phone can be a frustrating experience for Android users. Luckily, some phone manufacturers provide 30-day recovery window to restore deleted SMS from the trash folder. However, other Android users do not get a second chance. For them, the deletion of SMS is real and can't be reversed. That's why you can rely on uMobix to restore permanently deleted text messages from Android phones. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get regular updates on data recovery. Thanks for watching this video.